In this video, you will learn how to delete columns in Microsoft Excel table or Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You will learn how to delete the single column or how to delete the multiple columns which are either consecutive or separated. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. For example, I want to delete this column. So firstly, I will select this column. You can select any column by clicking on this alphabet or these letters. For example, if I click on this C, then the whole column is selected. If I want to select this one, then I will click on this and you can see here the whole column is selected. After selecting the column, for example, I want to delete the whole columns. I don't need this data, so I want to delete this one. So you can see here I have already selected this one by clicking on this alphabet. After doing that, right click and you will find the option of delete. Click on this delete option and you can see here that column is deleted now and the Excel has automatically arranged the remaining columns. So I will undo it. Now you will learn how to delete multiple columns instead of single columns. You don't need to delete these columns one by one. You can select multiple columns and delete them at once. For example, I want to delete column B and column C. Firstly, select any column. For example, I have selected column C by clicking on this alphabet. Now drag it. By dragging option, you can select multiple columns if the columns are consecutive. Now you can see here I have selected both these columns. Now place your cursor any of this alphabet and right click and click on this delete options. The both column will be deleted. Now you can see here the both columns are deleted. Now you will learn how to delete columns if you want to delete multiple columns but that are not consecutives. For example, I want to delete column A and column D. Firstly, I will click on this headings or alphabet. Now you can see here I have selected column A. Now press your control button and select column D. Now you can see here I have selected column A as well as column D. I want to delete both of these. Now place your cursor any of selected columns and right click. You will find the option of delete. Click on this delete and both columns are deleted and Excel has automatically arranged the remaining data. By doing so, you can easily delete single column or multiple column in Microsoft Excel table or spreadsheet. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.